Hello everyone, this is Mario from Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful VBM espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the water pump, this one that you see right here, and we also had to adjust the water tank sensor as it was having troubles to detect the water tank when there was water and there was not. So right now, as you can see, it's not detecting the water tank. This will not get activated, but if we drop it over here, we can activate this as well. One of the other things that this machine had, it was that the whole groove head will just kind of crumble and it will just kind of like do a big snap whenever we were raising this lever. And that's because the brew switch, the one that is on the back, was a little bit out. So we had to polish it a bit and then adjust it. And then, as you can hear and see, it's working perfectly fine. Once in a while, it vibrates as the brew switch is on, but it is still working. We can still brew coffee. And the lever feels amazing as we also relubricate some of the gaskets of the E61 group head. We also replaced the big one that is in here. This is the older gasket of the machine. As you can see, it's completely full of coffee. There's not even a single hole in here. So water was just shooting straight out of the, basically that little hole that you see through there. It was causing channeling and it was not extracting properly. So we had to replace that one, and yeah, that's what we did with this beautiful machine. Oh wait, we also descaled the heat exchanger as well as the hot water valve and the steamer valve. So we also descaled this machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be brewing a shot. Then we're gonna be using the steam and hot water. I'm going to purge down the heat exchanger because it's been a while that the machine is on, so the heat exchanger is already at the same temperature as the steam boiler. And if we try to brew like that, we are just going to burn our coffee. We're using our test coffee, so hopefully I pick up the right grind settings. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. There you go, slowly pressurizing, going to around 9-10 bars. So I probably tamped a little bit too hard, but we're getting a nice extraction coming out from this beautiful machine. Look at that crema, look at that shot of espresso, looking really, really good. Probably a little bit over extracted as we're extracting almost at 12 bars. No leaks coming out from the group head, no leaks coming out from any part of the E61 group head as well. Excellent crema, even though we're using our test coffee. This is our test coffee. This looks amazing for our test coffee. Excellent steam coming out from this beautiful machine. Really, really powerful. And hot water, simple stream, with excellent temperature as well. Mesh and boiler filling up right now as we're speaking. Water pumping, no leak coming out from the bottom or anywhere from the valves. Machine slowly depressurizing as cold water is entering the brew boiler, and then now the steam boiler is full and it's ready to start heating up once again. So there you have it, VBM working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.